Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
For dollar CAD, we think sell off will continue. It has faked out, sold off, and we think this downside momentum will continue. There are two very juicy levels here, even here, out for the taking. So for the bear case, if we won't be surprised to see price just dump off immediately from here. It's already kind of having a little bit of relief, but we don't think it will last. So if the bears find the much needed conviction, the price will continue to plummet immediately down from here. And the next level that we think it will test is 1.24. Right, might even break through directly and then test 1.23. Right, but we exit and then see what happens. Now for bull case, if the bulls need a little bit of shut eye before they drive the price lower down, we should see a retest of 1.26, maximum 1.26, and then price will drive down to the targets that we talked about.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.